Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix FaceTime unavailable, turn on mobile data or use Wi-Fi to set up FaceTime on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to set up FaceTime and you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go for your Face ID, and you have to check whether your Face ID is working properly or not. And if your Face ID is not working, which means then you have to wait for some time, so that a new kind of interface is available, and you can simply turn on all the option for Face ID and passcode. But if you want to check for FaceTime and you see this kind of error occurs while you do these settings, and you want to turn on the FaceTime and it doesn't turn on again, then after that you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution. If the problem is still there, you can also ask the solution in Apple discussion forum, and after that you will get any solution in Apple discussion community. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.